My name's Kelly Taylor. I'm the country head for Domino's Pizza in Denmark. We have 13 locations currently here in Denmark. We made the decision when we bought the Danish market that we would use all of the bells and whistles that came with Zenput. It was really important that we had everything in place to make it as simple as possible for our team to do their jobs properly. So we started using the labels and the temperature tracking, and both of those things I think it's really important for a couple of reasons for us. The first one is that it gives me the overview that I need of what's happening in the store without having to be there every single day, but also it's so simple that it means that our team firstly aren't wasting their time doing this stuff. The good thing about the temperature sensors is that first of all it tells you before it's a problem. It tells you, if you have it set up properly, it tells you as it's becoming a problem so that you can fix it before it's too far gone. And it comes straight to you. So I'm not reliant on a manager having to check that their cold room's in temperature, or I'm not reliant on there's no user error. It's just a thermometer that sends me an email if it's out of range, and so I know straight away exactly what's wrong and I can fix it before it becomes, a cold room worth of food that needs to go in the bin. So we've had several occasions where they have leant on a freezer and turned it off, and nobody would know that it was off because, especially a frozen product, it can take hours to start thawing out enough to actually see that there's a problem. I will get an alert as soon as that air temperature cools or warms up. I will get an alert telling me that the temperature's dramatically changed, and so I can call the store and say, turn the freezer back on. There is some cost involved to using these systems, but for us, the temperature tracking, it has already saved us at least 3 thick shake freezers worth of product. It saved us 2 cold rooms worth of product. We can already get that cost back just in equipment that we've managed to save the food in. The thing about Zenput is that if I wanted to convince somebody to use it, I would tell them, think about your worst case scenario. Think about the worst thing that could happen. You end up in court because of a food safety issue, or this investment, which is a reasonable amount of money, but if you spend it now, then you're definitely going to save it later on. I would say use it for a week, and then in a week you would see that not only do you want Zenput in your store, but you need Zenput in your store. You need Zenput in your business because just that overview that it gives you, the eyes in the stores when you're not there, it's just so good for that. It means that you will save money on food wastage, you'll save money on temperature. So if your equipment's not working properly, then you'll save money there. You'll definitely save money on productivity in the store because you'll know that the time is being spent doing the things that it should be spent doing. So use it and you will see that it will save you more than it costs you. For me, I just think in this market especially, but in any market, just the confidence that you can have knowing that the system is working, that what's happening in your stores is working, that the food you're selling is safe, that you're not wasting money, you're using the store efficiently, or you're running the store efficiently.